Hello friends, so it's Dr. Novelesh Bachchan from Patna. So here I am going to discuss an interesting case with you. So this came, this patient came to us in emergency situation in the phase of stridor and respiratory distress. So the patient had underwent removal of button battery from the aerodigestive tract in some periphery hospital, and just after the removal of the button battery, patient developed respiratory distress along with a stridor, and they were referred to Patna. So somehow this patient came to us. So we evaluated the patient 7 days back, and decided to manage the patient conservatively, since there was no much airway compromise 7 days back, apart from this adenoid and epiglottic fold and paraglottic edema. So we managed the patient conservatively very well for last 7 days. Patient improved also in our first 5 days, but somehow in the last 1 or 2 days patient respiratory distress again came back, and patient was having increased respiratory rate, chest retractions, etc. So we decided to re-evaluate the patient on doing the bronchoscopy to rule out any hidden foreign body inside the bronchus or bronchiole. So we evaluated the patient and ruled out any foreign body inside the lower respiratory tract. So we found it was almost normal, apart from some mucus plug and respiratory secretions. After the bronchoscopy, we evaluated that on the 7th day this patient had developed more charring of the cricopharyngeal area, which is near and posterior to the glottic area, near the arytenoid and cricoarytenoid joint, and this is probably the region of compromise of airway of this patient. So we are going to perform tracheostomy today for the benefit of this patient, and hope this patient improves with time. Thank you.